Hello, so this is another video where I'm going to talk about what I've been doing, and honestly, not much has changed since the last video, but that's the point. I am not expecting a sudden change or a sudden gratification because all of these things takes time, and now the fact that I am trying to accept it, I am trying to process it and then work accordingly. I feel that's what makes it special because all these days you don't really see instant progress, right? So you just have to be consistent and do the things which I needed to do. So what I have done, like since the last video, so since I told you that I've been creating a project, and as I am creating that project, I am learning things which is actually required. So for those who don't know, I have been preparing for my tech interviews, and I am constantly doing the job hunt or the internship hunt, and in order to do that, I need to have certain skills. Everybody knows that, right? So the earlier way was to just go to YouTube, learn it. But what I am doing is I have taken a project and then I am learning as I build. So that's the thing I'm doing. So in that project, what I did is now I'm on to the database integration part. And to be honest, this feels good because like I have created tools, a lot of them, but like most of them are vibe coded, almost like each one of them are vibe coded. It's not like I don't understand a thing, but it's like those setups and all, I haven't done it myself, so I didn't really had any idea how does it feels, what kind of settings you need to enable, what kind of code you need to write. And since I'm doing that now, I know how the connection is actually made, how database talks to backend and all, and yeah, it is actually good, and it made me learn a lot of things. Well, that's the whole point. This is why I took this path, in order to learn things which are needed to, and I think finally it started to pay me off because this is like absolutely much better than what YouTube used to teach me. Yes, that time it used to feel like, okay, I'm making progress and all, but to be honest, I've never implemented those things. And when I went to implement those things, sometimes I feel like I'm just stuck. I don't know what to do. And here, that's not the case. So yes, I am making progress. After that, I went to Codeforces, gave a contest. It was almost like my fifth contest. And to be honest, after two questions, I felt absolutely dumb, right? I was not able to solve the third question even after I've tried. So I was like, okay, this is like getting serious now, because it was a Div 3 contest. For those who don't know, Div 3 is almost like a beginner level contest, and also I gave it, and I was able to solve first two questions, but the third one, no, I failed at that. So that's completely fine as long as I'm making progress and all. And after that, this is what I'm recording. This needs to go there because this is also part of the plan. Everything I do right now, it also involves and includes this. But before this, I was sitting with my laptop and then I was doing the cold outreach. And now the cold outreach is not just for getting a job or just for getting the internship. It is also for making sure that your network grows. And to be honest, right now, like till now, I haven't got any results out of that. But yeah, let's just keep doing, and things will eventually pay off. Who knows, right? The dots will connect backwards. So I'm just trying to do the things which are important, and rest, I feel like everything will take care of itself. So yep, this is what I've been building. So I've been making project, and in that project I am at the database integration stage. I am also giving contests right now, and I am doing cold outreach, and the last one is I am recording these videos in order to stay consistent here on YouTube, and let's see how long it goes. I am willing to stay consistent for as long as it takes. This time I'm not willing to quit. So yep, that's it. Thank you.